everyone, my name is Shuyu. I'm here to talk about the benefits of a connected approach to teach STEM using images and artifacts created in 3 of the workshops. The presentation will focus on the following areas. In both activities, students connect science, technology, engineering, and math to design and build the artifact using their content knowledge, test and modify their design using their problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Students apply their knowledge of aerodynamics, measurement, and geometry to create a functional paper plane. For example, students can modify the shape of the wings, the weight distribution, and the amount of force used to launch the plane. The activity can be modified for different grade levels or learning objectives by adjusting the complexity of the design challenge or incorporating additional STEM concepts. According to the research, students make sense of new knowledge world through the tasks that they participate and engage in. Both activities provide students the chance to explore their cognitive world, and the learning of new skills rely on the application of their prior knowledge. So, students can also consolidate their understanding while designing. The paper plane activity has several benefits in terms of student learning and engagement. It helps students develop critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration skills. For example, students need to experiment with different designs and techniques to optimize their plane's performance. They also work in teams to share ideas and test their designs. Furthermore, the activity helps students connect the abstract concepts of STEM to a tangible and enjoyable activity, which can increase motivation and engagement. The paper plane activity is supported by the academic literature on STEM education and aligns with best practices in teaching and learning. The paper plane activity can be modified to connect with other STEM concepts such as physics, material science, and design thinking. The activity can be adapted for different learning styles or abilities by providing options for different materials or design challenges. Additionally, the activity can be used to introduce or reinforce specific STEM concepts or skills such as measurement, graphing, or data analysis. This hands-on activity encourages students to learn by designing and building and apply the content knowledge relating to physics, engineering, science, and mathematics. Students could also make connection to building, construction, design, and art as a connected approach to teach STEM. In the learn by design process, students practice problem-solving skills to solve real-life problems by applying their knowledge and skills. In the construction process, learners implement critical thinking and creative skills to improve the design, test their design, adjust the design, and teamwork skills to work collaboratively as a group to build and design the lanyard. This activity asks the learners to work in groups, to use Lego to demonstrate their understanding of Dream Team and Nightmare Team. Collaboration as the learning strategy will help the learners to create cognitive artifacts in group setting at the same time to develop the collective understanding of the group activity. Learners in the process brainstorm ideas collaboratively to seek creative solutions and communicate with peers to express their ideas and resolve conflicts. This activity also promotes inclusion and participation, so learners learn to respect and appreciate difference in the group setting. The activity can help students develop problem-solving, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity skills. For example, students need to collaborate to share ideas, experiment with different designs, and test their plans. They also need to communicate their findings and insights to their peers and teachers. Additionally, the activity aligns with APSTs and supports best practices in teaching and learning, since students will be encouraged to identify and describe the purpose of their paper planes and discussions on the various shapes and sizes of planes. With regards to APST 2.1, in view of APST 2.2, students will be taught how to create and use basic design ideas to create their plane, while with reference to APST 2.3, students will explore a range of materials to create their planes such as papers, stickers, and colored pencils, so as to allow them to experiment and develop their creativity.